Meaning of impassable.
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 Impassable. The word impassable refers to something that cannot be passed through or crossed. It describes a situation where there is no way to move forward or get to the other side because of an obstacle or barrier that cannot be overcome. This could be a physical obstacle like a roadblock or an inaccessible area, or it could refer to a metaphorical barrier like a language barrier or a lack of resources. When faced with an impassable situation, the only option is to find an alternative route or strategy to reach one's desired destination or goal.